Racing just is started. We have King Sack first to show quickness at the start. Moving up, Belia Bandida. At the outside, Miss Mirage. In the middle portion, the of J. Do it. David Zufer. Dufer comes next. Moving up is Terrible Heart. Then next online is Blitzkrieg. King's Crown, Terry Toon, Sunday Street, Wild Beat. The hit is the trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Belia Bandida by about 2 lengths. King Sack in second. There was his field. Rider of horse Miss Mirage and Ioy Jr. left unseated. Half mile distance. They traveled. We have Belia Bandida by about 2 lengths. King Sack in second. Do it. David is racing in third. Super Duper. Terry Toon comes next. And on the outside, Terrible Heart, Sunday Street, then comes the of Jade, moving up now on the outside is King's Crown, but the hit is done on the inside, while Blitzkrieg now racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Belia Bandida, King Sack, Terry Toon now moving to take third. Super Duper comes next with the hit. Likewise now moving past the swing for home. And we have King Sack and on the outside Terry Toon. Sunday Street Super Duper with about 100 meters of the race. King Sack, Terry Toon is on the outside but it's still King Sack and finally King Sack, Terry Toon. Then comes Super Duper. Beat the hit, Sunday Street, Terrible Heart. And for your Super 6, Blitzkrieg.